Hello everyone, I am Noor. Today we will see how to get install and play PUBG on a laptop and desktops. If you follow these steps, then you can play very easy PUBG on your laptop and desktops. To download, open the browsers. I am open the Chrome browsers. You can open any browser and visit the google.com and type in there game loop and press enter. From here we will click on download PUBG mobile emulator for PC game loop. Okay, just click on this thing. We get these views. Now from versions we select just English and just press download and press download is start. Also short time you can get the download finish and click this symbol and press open. You need to press just yes. Okay, then minimize this page. We get this view. Click on install. To finish the install we need to wait. It will take a while to install. It will depend entirely on your internet speed and computer speed. We are waiting now for next steps. We get next steps. Now we just click on shortcut. If you want, you just click on shortcuts and just press start and press start and again wait for next windows. Okay, we get the new windows and also start in there. Start. It will take a while to install. It totally depend on your internet speeds and computer speeds. If your computer speed is high, then very easy and very faster you can complete those steps. Wait for next steps. Okay. We are waiting for complete 100%. Okay, after that we get permission request. We just press OK. Wait for next windows. We just wait for next windows. Friends, there you can find the default control. Using this control you can control your windows, your PUBG. You can select HD also, or if you not click, just low space is running. Wait for next steps. It also takes some time because 300 file is download. Read this message and press access. Last updated is January. It's better if you log in the Facebook also to enter. Then if you run the more options, and also can click I have read and agree to the user agreement and just click more. Just we run is guest and read the message and press OK. We are waiting for run the PUBG. Friends, enjoy now. Thanks for watching. Now you can play the PUBG using your laptop also desktops. If you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. Hope now you can play the PUBG is better than your mobile device. Again, I want to say thanks for watching. Enjoy now.